Okay, I'm gonna make a video, okay? Alright. Who made this book?
Jonathan.
Jonathan made the book. Okay, and what you gonna do?
Read the book.
You're gonna read a book? Okay, go ahead. I'm recording right now.
You can see?
I can see perfectly fine.
Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see beautiful children. Beautiful children, what do you see? I see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, a teacher. This is how we see. The end.
Good job.
Can I see?
Yes, you wanna see?
Yeah, I want to watch.
Okay.